Hey guys, welcome back. This is Thaddeus's Tech Tales, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace or upgrade your PlayStation 4 hard drive or solid state. In this episode, I will be showing you how to remove the hard drive, install the new hard drive, load the OS onto a flash drive, and then reinstall the system file onto the PlayStation correctly. So stay tuned and I will give you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. For this procedure, we will need a few different items. First off, we will need a Phillips driver. I will be using my iFixit kit. Secondly, you will need a new hard drive or solid state. Any 2.5-inch SATA drive will work. I do not suggest going below a 500 gigabyte. You will need a USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes of capacity. You will need a computer with internet access in order to download the PlayStation 4 reinstall file. First, we will remove the old hard drive. In order to do that, you're going to slide off the panel on the side. Set that to the side. You will need your Phillips driver and remove the single PlayStation screw. The hard drive slides right out, and you can move the PlayStation 4 to the side. Now we will take the removed hard drive cage and remove the hard drive itself. There are 4 Phillips screws on either side. Go ahead and remove those. The hard drive should come right out. Remove the old hard drive and set that to the side. Once removed, take your new hard drive or solid state. I will be using a 1 terabyte Seagate hard drive for this exact instance and reinstall back into the hard drive housing, logo side down, SATA and power towards the open end. Go ahead and reinstall. Once assembled, reinstall the hard drive in the bay back into the PlayStation. Install the single PlayStation screw. Reinstall the PlayStation housing. Now you will need your computer and your PlayStation 4 USB flash drive. Once your USB flash drive is inserted into your computer, go ahead and open up the File Explorer. Within File Explorer, find your USB drive, right-click, and go down to Format. For this application, we will need either FAT32 or exFAT. I will be using FAT32. Click Start and OK. This will delete everything on the flash drive, so be prepared to lose whatever is on there. Click OK. Once the USB flash drive is formatted, click on it, right-click, and we're going to make a new folder inside of that USB drive. We will label it PS4. Inside of the PlayStation 4 folder, we will create a second folder, and we will title this Update. Now that we have our files made, we will need to download the PlayStation 4 reinstallation file. Go to your preferred internet browser and type in reinstall PlayStation 4 system software. Make sure you go to the legit PlayStation website. Scroll down to the PlayStation 4 console reinstall system. And on step 3, you will see PlayStation 4 console system software update. Click on that page. Now you're going to scroll down to the PlayStation 4 installation file. It has to be the console reinstallation file. The console update file will not work in this application. Click on it to start the download. Once downloaded, open up the PlayStation 4 update in the File Explorer, and we will now open up another File Explorer window. I will use the one that I already had open, and we are going to drag the PlayStation 4 update.pup into our update file that we created on our USB flash drive. Once copying the file is completed, go ahead and right-click your USB drive and eject. Now we will need to boot the PlayStation into safe mode. In order to do that, you're going to press the power button and hold. It'll beep once. As you continue holding, about 5 seconds later, it'll beep a second time, and then you release. There's 1, and 2. Now that our console has booted into safe mode, you will need to reconnect your PlayStation 4 controller with a micro USB cable, as it has lost the saved data for the controller. Go ahead and insert your PlayStation 4 reinstallation file and go down to option 7, initialize PS4. Click OK. Click Yes. This can take a few minutes. Go ahead and just let the console do its thing. Now that your PlayStation has installed the system file, you're now good to go ahead and go through the setup where you can sign back into your PlayStation account, re-download your games, and start gaming. Alright guys, that will conclude the video for today. I showed you how to properly install a new hard drive or solid state into your PlayStation and then put the actual software onto that hard drive or solid state. If you all have any questions, please let me know down below. If you want to see other content in the future, same thing. Leave me a comment down below on exactly what you want to see. Give me a like, give me a subscription, and until next time, you all enjoy.